Before you set up your brother machine, you must find out the wireless network settings of your wireless router or access point. Check and write down the current wireless network settings below. You will need this information later. 1. Network name, also known as SSID or ESSID. 2. Network key, also known as password security key or encryption key. How to find the network name, SSID, and network key password. 1. Check the base or side of your wireless router or access point. 2. See the documentation provided with your wireless router or access point. If you need assistance during setup and want to contact Brother Customer Service, make sure you have your SSID network name and network key, which is your password, ready. We need this information to assist you, so please get them ready. If you do not know your SSID and network key, you cannot continue the wireless setup. If you cannot find your wireless network name and network key, contact your internet service provider or router manufacturer. For Windows users, Brother has developed a utility wireless setup helper to assist you in locating the security settings of your wireless network. You can find the information in our support website. For macOS users, click the Wi-Fi or airport icon in the menu bar. Click Wi-Fi settings, network preferences, or open network preferences. Make sure the network name your SSID is with the word connected underneath and then click Advanced. Make a note of the network name, SSID, and security type on the list of known networks. To check the network key, which is the password to your network, click Go. Utilities. Then double-click Keychain Access app or Keychain Access. When prompted, click Open Keychain Access. Click System in the left navigation bar. Then double-click the network name SSID under Name. In the Attributes tab, put a check next to Show Password. When prompted, enter the Mac administrator's password and/or keychain password in the dialog box and then click Allow or OK. Make a note of the password listed in the Show Password field to use when connecting to the wireless network. When you have all your information ready, you can begin setting up your Brother machine. To set up your Brother machine on a wireless network, connect the power cord to your Brother machine and then connect it to an AC power outlet. Then turn your Brother machine on. Press Menu. Press the up or down arrow key to select Network, then press OK. Press the down arrow key to select WLAN Wi-Fi, then press OK. Select Find Network, then press OK. When WLAN Enable message appears, enable the wireless network. The machine will search for your network and display a list of available networks. Find your SSID, then press OK. The prompt network key will appear, and this is where you enter your password. Use your machine's control panel buttons or LCD to enter your passwords, lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers or symbols. Then press OK. The machine will attempt to connect to the wireless device you have selected, and if your Brother machine connected successfully, the machine's LCD will display connected. However, if your connection has failed, the machine will print a wireless connection report. Check the error code on the printed report if so. Lastly, download and install your Brother machine software. After setting up your machine, you must install the driver. To download the driver, go to the Product Support website and download the full driver and software package. Then follow the installation instructions on the download page. If you need further assistance, please contact our friendly Brother customer service for support.